Well, hello, almost doc. How you guys doing today? I am going to disassemble the lm4 53, the aluminum block, and see what we got. All I want is the block out of this. I'm putting a whole new rotating assembly, forged pistons, forged rods, all that goody. So, we are going to take this apart. So that should be all fun and dandy. So here we go. Take some stuff apart, drain the oil. There shouldn't be any in it because it was being stored, but you never know. Never ever know. Okay. Good to know. Only a little bit of oil to blow around out here. It's alright. Alright, so I'm gonna take the other side off and then start the manifold, and I'll get the coil packs off and then we'll start to pulling the heads. So I'll be right back, just so this video is not a mile long. Alright, so valves or exhaust manifolds are off. I'm going to pull the valve, well, pull the rest of this little shit, and then I'm going to pull the valve covers and probably the plugs first to see what those look like, and then I'll pull the valve covers and the heads. Well, I'm going to pull the other side. These don't seem to be all that bad. They're dirty. They look like they've been sitting a minute, but overall seems alright. I'm going to pull the rest of the valve covers. I'm going to pull the valve covers and then the heads. Spare block. Alrighty, so there's spare block. All the bearings look good. I'm gonna replace all of it, but I'm just glad that it's was 100% working motor. I'm gonna clean this out and get this out of here, and then yeah, clean this up. So yeah. Alright, well, here it is, all stripped down. Absolutely bare aluminum block. Still got a couple sensors in it, but those will all be replaced along with everything else attached to this. Well, here's a $900 chunk of aluminum to start the build for this beast. So that's that. That's that teardown. And stay tuned. I'm gonna save up some parts and build that thing. Keep on keeping on. See you guys in the next one.
Now, what do you do next?
Floor it?
Yes. No! No! Don't floor it!
Floor it?
No! No, no! Don't floor it!
Okay, floor